When I was in high school, I never liked science or biology, but when I first took my introductory course, the relationship between what the professor talked about in class to everyday life just made me kind of fascinated with the overall study of biology. I didn't choose specifically to go into this field. It all started when I went into the McNair program. I was interested in doing research in general, and I chose to work with Dr. Evans Anderson in her lab. She gave me different projects that I could potentially work on, and I chose to work specifically with the heart development of the Cetrone. And from there, I just fell in love with working with the project. Basically, what I'm doing is working with Cetrone intestinalis, commonly known as C-scores. I'm looking at the heart development at the 3 stages of development: the larval stage, the juvenile stage, and the adult stages. I'm using 2 developmental genes in order to see how these genes are localized throughout the heart.
I work on heart development, so how the heart grows and develops, and the genes that regulate that process. And so what I really would like to understand is how the muscle cells of the heart are specified to proliferate during embryogenesis and build the heart. So if you can understand how the heart builds itself in a normal embryo to form a functional heart, then you can take those basic principles and apply them to, say, stem cells, for example, to get them to build the layers and to artificially build a heart. Brittany is working on trying to understand the genes that we have identified as being important in this process of heart development that are conserved in Cetrone all the way to humans. The genes that she's looking at are known to be important in vertebrate heart development, as well as this simple marine organism, the sea squirt. It's basic science, so we're not going to cure heart disease by any means, and we're not going to have all the answers, but I think that we are able to figure out small pieces of the puzzle that contribute to the big story.
I'm from a small town known as St. Stephen, South Carolina. I grew up on a farm, me, my father, my mother, and my younger sister. I came to Winthrop because I had a cousin that recently graduated from here. She told me about the small class sizes, which attracted me because you get that one-on-one attention from your professors, the friendly environment where everybody knows each other, and basically the beauty of the campus is what attracted me to come to Winthrop. Another thing is the challenging environment in the classrooms where the professor challenges you to think outside the box. The environment of Winthrop in general allows you to open your eyes to different aspects of life that you never thought to see. Like you see different cultures, different social environments. It allows you to be more open-minded about a lot of things that you would never normally be open-minded about.
The Choose Development program is geared towards targeting students that are underrepresented in the sciences and to get them engaged and exposed to the world of developmental biology and hopefully steer them towards careers. We sent in our applications last year to be a mentor and a fellow for Brittany.
Surprisingly, we made it all the way and got accepted as one of the smaller schools in comparison to other students from larger institutions that are known for their research. Working with Dr. Evans Anderson was absolutely amazing. I see her as a mentor. I look up to what she's done in the past and hope to kind of follow the same footsteps. But beside a mentor, I look at her more as a friend.
I see a lot of myself in Brittany, actually. My parents didn't go to college. Her parents didn't go to college, and so I think that just exploring the opportunities that you have through these kind of programs, the McNair program or the Choose Development program, has been really eye-opening for her, and I'm really excited to be a part of that.